helping children adjust to the arrival of a new sibling. Welcoming a new baby into the family is an exciting and life-changing experience, but it can also bring challenges, especially for older children. Preparing kids for a new sibling requires thoughtful planning to ease the transition and help them embrace their new role. Here are some strategies to ensure a smooth adjustment for children as they prepare for the arrival of a younger brother or sister. 1. Open conversations and setting realistic expectations. It's essential to communicate openly with your child about the upcoming changes. Let them know what to expect, both the exciting parts and the challenges. Depending on your child's age, explain the baby's needs and behaviors in simple terms. For example, you can tell them that the baby might cry a lot or need to sleep often, but it doesn't mean the baby loves them any less. Encourage your child to ask questions and express their feelings, whether they are excited, confused, or even nervous. Validating their emotions reassures them that it's okay to feel a range of emotions during this transition. 2. Involve the child in the preparation process. Getting children involved in baby-related preparations fosters excitement and creates a sense of responsibility. Let them help with tasks such as decorating the nursery, picking out clothes for the baby, or choosing toys. This involvement makes them feel included and important, reinforcing that the new addition is something the whole family is welcoming together. For older kids, reading books about becoming an older sibling can provide insight into what to expect. There are many storybooks available that explain the experience in a way children can easily understand. 3. Creating a sense of belonging and importance. Introducing a new sibling can sometimes lead to feelings of insecurity or jealousy. It's important to emphasize your child's unique place in the family. Remind them that even though the baby will need a lot of attention, they will still receive love and care from both parents. You can also talk about how special it is to be an older sibling and what privileges and responsibilities come with the role. For example, let them know that they'll get to teach the baby new things and be a role model. This helps foster a sense of importance and pride in their new role. 4. Maintain routines and offer individual time. One of the most significant adjustments for children is the change in routines after the baby's arrival. To reduce stress, try to maintain familiar routines as much as possible. Predictable daily activities provide comfort and stability during times of change. In addition, make a conscious effort to spend one-on-one time with your older child. Even if it's just a few minutes of focused attention each day, this time reassures them that they are still an essential part of the family. It's also an opportunity to check in on their emotions and offer reassurance when needed. 5. Plan for the hospital stay and homecoming. If the child is old enough, discuss what will happen when the baby arrives. Explain that you may need to stay at the hospital for a while and arrange for them to stay with a familiar caregiver if necessary. Knowing the plan in advance reduces anxiety about temporary separations. When you bring the baby home, consider having a small gift for the older child from the baby. This gesture makes the introduction more positive and helps establish a sense of connection between the siblings from the beginning. 6. Encourage bonding and patience. Bonding between siblings doesn't always happen instantly. Some children may feel distant or overwhelmed initially, and that's perfectly normal. Encourage gentle interactions, such as holding the baby's hand or singing a song. Praise your child for positive behavior toward the baby to reinforce those moments. It's also essential to model patience. Siblings need time to develop their relationship, and there may be moments of frustration along the way. By showing empathy and understanding, parents can guide children toward building a loving bond over time. 7. Addressing behavioral changes with empathy. It's common for children to exhibit behavioral changes when adjusting to a new sibling, such as regression or acting out for attention. If this happens, respond with empathy rather than punishment. These behaviors often reflect underlying emotions of insecurity or fear of being replaced. Reassure your child with words and actions that their feelings are valid and that they are still cherished. Conclusion. Preparing children for the arrival of a new sibling takes time, effort, and patience, but it is a rewarding journey for the entire family. By involving children in preparations, maintaining open communication, and nurturing their emotional well-being, parents can help ease the transition. With love and guidance, children can develop a close bond with their new sibling and thrive in their evolving family dynamic.